What is up, kids? So, this is going to be part one of at least my rebuilding of the Warn hubs, the 9072s. They're a discontinued hub now through Warn. So, if you find yourself having a set and you want to rebuild them, hopefully this helps you. This is what I've found. So for the top parts, they usually come like this. You'll have the gears, which, you know, as you turn the hub, it moves it in and out, so it engages the front tires and disengages. So for this, when you're assembling the caps of them, I recommend when you start putting them together, you're gonna put them in the freewheel spot, and you'll see why. So you have basic parts. This is what's going to screw onto your knob. Here's the cap that it sits into. You'll notice when you take these apart, there's two seals in this part. This goes at the base of the knob, and usually they're in pretty good shape. These are the ones that came off of it, so they were good in shape. I was just going to reuse them, and that's it. This one though, this one comes on right here, and usually you'll see they get cracked, brittle, and whatever. So I sourced some. It's pretty much the same exact fitment, and just we put it along there. You can see, and it's square O-ring. You don't want to use a round O-ring. So there's that. And if you want some, I have a bunch of extras. So if you guys want, just hit me up and we'll work something out. So anyways, there's that. Now, that is going to reside in here. As I said, we're going to put it in there, and we're going to put it at the free position. So turn it over. Next thing is you'll find that these are kind of like a retaining washer for the C-clip to go onto. Mine are corroded, they're steel. I didn't want to reuse them. I tried sourcing an exact match to those in stainless, and I found one where the ID was the same, but the OD was what was it, like 2 1/8. So I had to modify these to fit, and these will go within that groove. For this C-clip, put like a little bit of petroleum jelly in here just to kind of keep it loose, so it spins better, and it kind of lubricates that O-ring. My bad. Then we'll put this in here in the free position. Put that out there. All right, then we can put the C-clip on there. We kind of have to work that a little bit. It's a little bit of a bear. Can be a pain. There we go. just confirm that it's locked in along the groove in the bottom. Make sure that it turns. There we go. Right, now when I put this in the free position, so this, you're going to want to turn it, and you'll see there's a few different positions for the dowel pin. And make sure that you keep that dowel pin too when you take this apart. And when you turn this on or spin it on, when it bottoms out, you'll see one of those holes for the dowel pin. Match that up to one that's going to work out better, because the other ones, you'll see right here, there's no tab that's going to work with that. So find that, and then insert that dowel with some pliers, and with a little punch you can move this out of the way and set that down in there. So now it's going to move. Verify that we did everything correctly. It moves up like so. Moves back down. So that's pretty much it for the first part. And once I get the bodies back from powder coat, I'll continue on the rest and show you what to look for on disassembly and then assembly. So, thank you.